Welcome to BGA Repair Machine Factory. Our agent in Egypt, Egyptian company, have this model lv-08 in stock now. If you want more details of this machine, contact our agent, Egyptian, Mr. Ahmed. Today we show you how to use this semi-auto BGA workstation. Remove this chip. First, we install this nozzle and this suction nozzle, the red cap. Take this nozzle bigger than the chip. Install nozzle, up nozzle, down nozzle, and then this laser locating the chip. And now we have two languages, Chinese and English. Now we added the parameter. We click cap setting button, and password is 123. This is the current parameter we have. We can choose. We have installed many globe temperature inside the machine for reference. You can choose any one of them. And also you can change the parameter as you like. Okay, we change like this. This is the parameter we setting. After this have captain, you can name it 1, 2. Okay, and then save and download. Next time you repair the same chip, you can choose from here. Choose same 12, and then component download, and then back. We have wait, remove, mount, semi-auto, working mode. Now we use semi-auto because the first time we don't know this chip. Temperature is melting temperature is lead or lead free, so we use semi-auto. Press the joystick and then the hand will automatically down. And the second button, the down button, we can adjust here, as you can see. After we setting here, okay, we clear button, run. As you can see, the temperature we're running as the profile we setting. Clear here. This is the temperature we setting. This is a light button. This light, working light, and this is the laser here. And then this is the emergency button. This adjust light for BGA and PCB. These three sensors, when you hitting, you can put this sensor here. I'll take one sensor, show you how to use this one. We use the sensor here. Put the sensor here to check any corner temperature, real temperature for any color. When the temperature running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 loop, and then we use the tweezer test whether the chip melting or not. Already melting, so we use the joystick. Press down to touch the chip, and then clear stop button. The machine will pick up the chip automatically.